got my new neons. I got this piece. What do you think? I am ready to go from this to ba-bam. We're done. No, stay tuned.
Life goes up and it goes down.
So I found this little ditty on the side of the road. She has got some good bones, you guys, but she's filthy, so we got to clean it up. I got an idea. So the technique I'm going to use today is using this paint sprayer, just like I did my studio walls. You can check out my other video about that. But I had to clean it out. And then I thought, why not just put the simple green right inside the paint sprayer and just get this party started? Once it's all coated, I'm just giving it a little bit of a scrub down, getting all that gunk off, and we're ready to go. So when you're using neons, you need to start with a super white base so those neons really pop. I know, I don't usually use like white like me, huh? No, seriously, it's really gonna do the trick. So I'm gonna put it right into my paint sprayer. Look at that. And then I'm gonna put an exact amount of water. You guys know me better. I'm not measuring this. I'm giving a little bit of water and I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna test it. Oh man, check me out. I am remembering my apron. I am going to remember to put on my mask because we're spraying indoors. We're gonna be super careful. Oh my gosh, wait, where'd I put the sprayer? Damn it. So because we're spraying indoors, I've got the nozzle on really narrow so I don't spray the whole place white, but it's taking me a little longer than expected. But we're getting there. Just got to go over it a couple times. Just watch, you'll see. It's all gonna work out.
Life goes up and it goes down.
Are you ready to get this party started, you guys? Let's start with some mom's night out, some soul full of sunshine, some la la love ya, some Sundance. Oh my God, some hot damn violet, back to Sundance. I mean, how can you not adore these colors already? And we haven't even painted anything yet.
Before the clock runs out, sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too.
So look at me go. I'm just putting that right in my paint sprayer. And guess what? There's still some white left in there and I don't care. I'm so excited about what's about to happen that I'm just doing my happy little dance for you. See, I wasn't making that up. Look inside. Looks like a job for Dexter. So even though I've tested this on my walls inside the studio, every project is unique and new, and I never know how it's gonna work out this time. So I'm just spraying and seeing when the pink comes out strong, when it comes out light, at what point are the colors mixing together? Are they completely mixing and just getting a lighter tone? This is just where I play.
I never really put up a fight.
I wasn't loving the streakiness, so I grabbed a roller and just started experimenting, kind of pushing it down and pulling it up and just having some fun. Oh my God, Sue, stop. So I'm gonna keep going with the La La Love Ya. Now it's coming out pretty pure, and I just love running the roller through it and blending it in with the ground control underneath it. So now I'm gonna bring back Mom's Night Out because I love blending two colors that are really, really close to each other, but just slightly different. So Mom's Night Out definitely has more orange and La La Love Ya definitely has a little bit more blue. So I'm just layering them back and forth to see what I get. Oh, I also forgot to tell you, I'm adding a little bit more water each time. Oh, and I also forgot to put my mask back on. Oh, and I also forgot to put my hair back up. Now, since the paint went on pretty watery, watch what happens now. Look at this. I'm rolling and it's pulling up the paint, but it's leaving the white behind. And so I'm getting all these layers with just 3 colors. Okay, 2 colors and white, but I'm really digging this effect. So now you can see I've just given up on my shoes and I'm using all this overspray to go back and get all the feet. Like, why waste paint, you guys? Just get it up off the floor. Oh, are y'all ready for where we're going next? This is cool. Hold on, here we go. Since I figured out that the brush made a cool pattern, I thought, what if I use a pattern to make a cool pattern? Check it out. Are you kidding me? I'm in love. I'm gonna do it again and again and again. Shut up and watch. I meant I'll shut up and you watch. mean, was that so cool? I kind of just love it as is. I'm almost tempted to leave it, but you guys, I've got to go with my creed. If I'm not willing to completely F this thing up, I am not going far enough. And that is why I am going to keep going. Check me out. I got my mask back on, my hair pulled back, my mom's night out, going in the sprayer, and what's coming next? Yes, hot damn violet. Since my base layer is totally dry and my next layer is pretty watered down, I can kind of play around a bit without making it all too mushy.
What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow.
Are you seeing the vision yet, my friends? It's just all about creating layer after layer after layer. And you will only know if you've gone too far when you've gone too far. I realize at this moment, I've kind of lost track of my inspiration, and I even forgot to tell you that it was fall leaves, right? And you're like, what? Where's the fall? Okay, I'm putting in fall right now. This is actually Queen Bee by Debbie's Design Diary. I've watered it down, and I gotta say, you guys, these two paint brands play really nicely together on your piece. I think it's because they are both thicker clay-based paints. They both reconstitute with water. They both deepen a little bit when you apply the top coat. And so you can really play and blend with them together. And I loved using the really intense neon colors with the kind of slightly saddened but rich colors of Debbie's Design Diary. It was a perfect match for this piece. So I'm just adding a few more highlights and lowlights, and then
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life.
See what I mean about the wax? Everything is just getting even richer.
And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get
So remember what I said before about having to be willing to completely risk it all to make it better, even though you may totally screw it up? Yep, I'm grabbing the dark wax. Let's see what happens.
to me as I slow it down? Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Now let's put her in front of her inspiration wall. Come on, darling. Yes! Oh, take a bow, my sweet. You deserve it.